Hey, this is Angie, and in this video, we're going to learn how to use Autocrat. So have you ever needed to take information from someone and then you wanted to send them a PDF of the information that they filled out for you? So that is what Autocrat does. So on your screen, you will see that I have a wedding invitation, and down here, I've got first name, last name, street, town, state, and zip. And this is just for a demo. So I want you to notice I've got these brackets on either side, and so those are going to be tags that we're going to be using to automatically create a PDF. So this is my form, my Google form. So I've created this form, and let me show you what my Google form looks like. So I've got this information in here, and you'll see first name and last name. Those are both capitalized. If you'll notice back on my form, these letters are also capitalized, so it's important that these things are the same, okay? Now, back to my Google form. I've got street, town, state, and zip, and all of these are required information. I have my responses going to a Google Sheet, and here is the Google Sheet. So the timestamp is automatically put there by Google, and then we have email address, first name, last name. And so this is the information that I need to collect from people, and then I'm going to send them an automatic PDF of the information that they filled out. So let's switch back to our document that we are going to merge this to. So it's important to know that during this process, you cannot copy and paste this. So if I were to copy this and then paste it and then change it, Autocrat doesn't recognize copy and paste, so you have to actually type these in. So you use these little taglines here on either side of your information, because when we enable Autocrat, then it's going to use this as its cue that this is the information that we want to share. Now you'll notice down here next to town I have a comma, and so all of this information on my document has to be grammatically correct, because when when we start doing this, it's going to be exactly how it is on the document. So I'm going to head on over to my Google Sheet, and I'm going to go up here to Extensions and Autocrat, and then I'm going to launch Autocrat. So once that appears, I have this box on my window, and it's going to start thinking a little bit, and it's going to ask me to start a new job. So I'm going to start a new job, and I'm going to give this a name and give it whatever name makes sense to you. So we're going to click on next, and now it's going to ask me to choose my template. So my template is the wedding that I just created. So I'm going to do from drive, and it's hopefully is going to find the document that I just created. So there's the document that I just created. So I'm going to select that and then go down to select. So once that happens, I'm going to click next, and now it's finding these little tags that I put in here. So it actually found first name. It found them all for me because I didn't have any errors in my message on my document. So it found everything. But if something was empty, I can just click here and select it. So you can see I can change that if needed. So all of my sources are mapped out to where they're going to be on the document. So I'm going to click on next, and now here's my file settings. So this is going to create a PDF document, and I need it to have a good file name. So I'm going to click this little bar over here, and I'm going to do last name, and when I click on last name, it just does a copy for me so that I can paste it. And then I'm going to do an underscore, and then I'm going to do first name, and I'm going to paste that over there, and I'm going to do underscore, and then I think I'm going to do timestamp just so I can see when this went in. And so now this is what the file is going to be named. So you want to use a file naming system that makes good sense to you. So I want it to be a PDF. Oh, my document that I'm using is a Google Slides. So I'm going to click next on that, and it's just going to go straight into my drive. I can choose a different folder if I need to. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to go on next to that. I don't want to set any conditional merges at this time. I do want to share the document, and I don't want to share it as editable. I want them to receive a PDF. So I'm going to change this field to PDF. I do not want them to be able to reshare, and I do want it to come from a generic email address, but you can say no on that and put your other email address in there. So now I had to collect their email address, so I'm going to do email address and put the merge there, and I'm going to BCC myself here, the subject line. So you're going to want to actually put what you want to say, and you can do a whole entire message in here. You're going to want to make sure that this is correct, because this is an email that the person is going to receive with your attachment. So when I click next, I want the form to run on trigger, and I've got to enable those triggers first. And so now this document is ready to merge. Okay, so someone is getting ready to submit some information to us. And so once that information is submitted, you will see that that's going to populate in here. So the information is there. Now Autocrat is already working, and it created these 4 extra columns. And now it should create a document for us that is going to automatically email to the person. So now that you can see this is filled in, so it took a few seconds to fill in, I can actually hover over it and see what the finished one looks like. And so if I expand these columns out, it tells me where it merged to, and here is the document. So if I click on this link, you can see the preview of it. So I'm going to click on the link, and then I'm going to show you what that looked like. And so here's the information that was filled out. And so now I have a Google slide version of this, but the person that filled it out received a PDF version of this in their email. So that is how you do Autocrat and create automatic PDFs to be emailed to someone. If you like this content,